Hey everybody, Ron here with Anthem Off-Road, anthemwheels.com on the website, and I thought I'd take a few minutes to talk to you a little bit about our gallery. One of the cool features that we have at Anthem is our ability to go into the gallery and search for vehicles that you would like to see similar setups on your vehicle with. So let's go ahead and take a look at our website, and I'll kind of walk you through what you ought to be looking for your setup when you want to see what it could look like. What you'll want to do is in the center bar here, you click on gallery. When you get to the gallery, you'll see you have a sort function right up here, and it'll allow you to look at what's recently been added or newer to old, depending on what vehicle you have. For instance, let's say we're looking at adding a 2019. You just bought a new truck, you want to go ahead and get that added here. You could sort by year, new to old. And then you'll see automatically in our gallery, we have about 500 trucks right now, so a large selection of trucks. And what that allows you to do is look and see what your truck could look like if you had this setup. In all cases, it'll have our full line of Anthem wheels, so you'll really know what you're getting. So in this case, we can go ahead and look at this one right here. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 on Anthem gunners, 20 by 12 -44. He's running the AMP Mud Terrain Attack 35s by 12.5s and a rough country suspension lift of 6-inch. Over here to the right, you'll see this exact setup. So if you see this truck and you have this truck and you want that exact setup, we make it super easy. You go right here and you can click buy exact setup. So for under $2,400, you can buy the exact setup and have that exact look. You can scroll down. It will give you some more information with some additional pictures. There's a side profile shot of the truck. It'll give you some more information on your offset if you're curious to see how far out the wheels stick, or if they're flush with the vehicle, or what the stance is like, or the wheel gap. All those different things are, as you scroll down, you'll be able to see a little clearer. If you go down to the details, it'll again explain what suspension lift you're running. In this case, it's rough country. You'll see right here a lot of information that a lot of people ask for is, does it rub? Does it need to be trimmed? Is there plastic that needs to be trimmed, metal that needs to be cut back? In this case, the owner's saying there's no rubbing or no scrubbing, and there's minor plastic trimming to get this exact setup. You can click to go back to the gallery, or you can add to my ride. So when you make that purchase, you come right back here, you click add my ride, and then you're able to add your ride to the gallery. Some pretty cool things about adding to the gallery is that everyone will see your ride, so it's pretty cool having your vehicle out there. A lot of people, you can see right here where there's a heart, there's 248 views, people liking your truck, and it's a great way to get your truck out there. So I hope this gallery tutorial helps you out a bit. I'm Ron. We'll see you later.